Chris here at American Eagle. Just wanted to call your attention to the Road King Special, the 23 model Road King Special Bike of the Week. Loaded with quite a few great features. It's got the little neat sporty windscreen I call your attention to. It's just very popular color billiard blue. It's got the 114 motor in it. It's got the rider backrest as well as the passenger backrest with the luggage rack, including the 4-point docking hardware, and also has the zombie exhaust for extra performance. It's a great bike. Please come down and see Big Chris and take a test drive on it today or any of the other pre-owned or new bikes that we have in inventory.